This is our egusi. I'm going to fry half of this. So I'm going to add my seasoning now. I'm adding my seasoning. I'm adding this. Okay, so I'm going to add the pepper. Let this together thoroughly and let it steam for a while. So I have stockfish here. I'm adding the stockfish. This is our pomo. So I have my stock from the chicken broth. Alright, so I'm going to have the second half of the egusi. Is the eat and there is other protein. And we have the fish and prawn. More chicken broth and more egusi water. Mackerel. Yeah, I'm going to add some chicken. You can add any veg of your choice. So I'm going to add this. So this is it. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel.